I'm here at Crunch Labs, and today we're going to talk about something that's going to change the way we think about wireless networks. I'm talking about turning this phone into a satellite phone. A few months ago, I headed to Washington State and successfully tested T-Mobile Starlink from the middle of nowhere by sending a text message to my dad from space. For this historic beta, T-Mobile challenged me to put it through the paces, so we assembled a team of folks who like to go off the beaten path. I'm talking adventure travelers, homesteaders, van lifers, tech reporters, to test it in areas where they never had service before. All right, welcome launch crew. Are you excited for today?
Oh yeah.
All right, so here's the deal. T-Mobile has partnered with Starlink on a mission to eliminate dead zones for your cell phone with the largest satellite to mobile constellation in the world by basically just launching hundreds of cell towers into space. That means you'll be able to get cell service starting with texting in the most remote places in the country. So let me ask you guys, how would that change the game?
As a solo female van lifer, it changes everything. It changes where I park, where I live.
There have been times where you can't really do much other than just turn around and have to go back home because you can't get in contact with anyone.
I think it's insane that you can have technology like this on your phone and not need a giant satellite phone to be able to send out messages.
I live in a rural setting by myself with a lot of animals. So being able to text my vet and ask questions when I'm in a bad situation is going to be a game changer for my animals and for me.
So everyone wins here, including the cows. So your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to go out there and find these former dead zones and put the T-Mobile Starlink service to the test. So what do you guys think? You up to it?
Oh yeah.
Ready to join the launch crew?
Let's do it.
I love the enthusiasm. Let's go get geared up. All right, you guys are looking great. Cool jackets, right? All right, well, let's actually show you how this works on your phone. When you're out in an area with no service, nice, and have a clear view of the sky, your phone will automatically connect to the satellites and you'll see this symbol here. You'll even get a welcome notification where you can learn more. And that's it. Now do remember, this is a beta test, so the time it takes to send and receive a text will vary, and then over time, the service will just keep improving, hence all the testing. Because after all, this actually is rocket science. I feel like we need a cool send-off slogan, like launch crew, mobilize!
We got T-Mobilize.
So much better. T-Mobilize, why didn't I think of that? Okay, launch crew, T-Mobilize. This is when you go. You guys go. All right, and now, I guess I just wait for a text. If you want to join the T-Mobile Starlink launch crew, sign up today to be part of the beta.